Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact your journey with ulcerative colitis? What if I told you that certain foods could help soothe your gut and reduce flare-ups? Today, we're diving into the best recipes for managing ulcerative colitis and boosting gut health naturally. Brief overview of ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis is an inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, that affects the lining of your large intestine, causing symptoms like abdominal pain, cramping, and frequent diarrhea. These flare-ups can be debilitating, but with the right diet, you can manage the symptoms and even reduce the frequency of these episodes. It all starts with food. While there isn't a one-size-fits-all cure, certain recipes and dietary changes have been shown to calm inflammation and support gut healing. Understanding the ulcerative colitis diet. Before we jump into the recipes, it's important to understand the basics of an ulcerative colitis diet. The goal is to avoid foods that irritate your digestive tract while incorporating foods that promote healing and provide essential nutrients. Avoid dairy, high-fiber foods during flare-ups, spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol. Focus on low-fiber fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats, and easily digestible vegetables. A personalized diet plan is key because triggers vary from person to person. It's crucial to listen to your body and adjust your diet according to what works best for you. Recipe 1: Soothing Carrot Ginger Soup. Let's kick things off with a delicious carrot ginger soup that's easy on the gut and rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Ingredients: 4 medium carrots, peeled and chopped, 1 inch of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced, 2 cups of low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, a pinch of turmeric, for added anti-inflammatory benefits. Instructions: 1. Heat the olive oil in a pot over medium heat. 2. Add the chopped carrots and ginger, sautéing for 5 minutes. 3. Pour in the broth and let it simmer for 20 minutes, until the carrots are tender. 4. Blend until smooth, and add turmeric before serving. This soup not only tastes great but is gentle on the digestive system, providing relief during flare-ups. Recipe 2: Banana and Rice Porridge. Next up is a soothing banana and rice porridge, perfect for those who need a gentle, easily digestible meal. Ingredients: a half cup white rice, 1 ripe banana, mashed, 2 cups water, a pinch of cinnamon, optional, 1 tablespoon honey for sweetness, cut to footage of cooking rice. Instructions: 1. Cook the rice in water until it becomes soft and creamy. 2. Stir in the mashed banana and cinnamon. 3. Drizzle honey on top before serving. This simple recipe is low in fiber, easy on your gut, and provides much-needed energy without causing irritation. Recipe 3: Salmon and Sweet Potato Bake. For a nutrient-rich meal that supports healing, try this salmon and sweet potato bake. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation. 1. Ingredients: 1 fillet of wild-caught salmon, 1 medium sweet potato, peeled and sliced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, a pinch of sea salt and pepper, fresh parsley for garnish, cut to footage of preparing the salmon and sweet potato. 1. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Drizzle olive oil over the sweet potato slices and salmon, then season with sea salt and pepper. 3. Place the sweet potato slices on a baking sheet, lay the salmon fillet on top, and bake for 25 minutes. 4. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. Not only is this dish delicious, but it also provides essential nutrients like healthy fats and vitamins that support overall gut health. Additional tips for managing ulcerative colitis through diet. Besides trying these recipes, here are some tips to make your diet even more effective in managing ulcerative colitis. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help your digestive system function smoothly. 2. Introduce probiotics. Foods like yogurt, lactose-free, or kefir may help balance gut bacteria. 3. Use supplements wisely. If you're not getting enough nutrients, consider supplements for omega-3s, vitamin D, or iron. Consult your doctor first. 4. Keep a food diary. Tracking what you eat and how it affects you can help you identify triggers and plan your diet better. How to heal ulcerative colitis naturally. Success story. Meet Sarah, a 28-year-old who's been living with ulcerative colitis for 5 years. After struggling with constant flare-ups and hospital visits, she decided to make dietary changes. She focused on anti-inflammatory foods, eliminated processed snacks, and followed a personalized diet plan. Today, she's living a more active and flare-free life. Her journey shows that while there is no definitive cure, diet can be a powerful tool in managing ulcerative colitis. So, if you're struggling with ulcerative colitis, these recipes can be a great addition to your diet. Remember, managing this condition is all about finding what works best for your body and sticking to it. Start experimenting with these meals, and don't forget to share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more gut health tips, and share this video with someone who could benefit. Your support helps us reach more people who need it. Thank you for watching, and remember, healthy eating is the first step toward healing from the inside out.